here is your choice. You can make a bigger pleats or you can make a small one. So at least you should have a 1 inch. Yeah, you can't do half-inch one. Half-inch is too small. So you just mark 1 inch like that. When you mark it, you just fold to each other. So you pick this one, the number 1, leave number 2 and goes to number 3 and you pin it. So the next one, you'll pick this one, goes there. So if you are making say in the skirt, so you don't have to cut the material, you just take whole piece of material and make a pleats first and measure how much your waist is. Don't worry about the flare. So that's how you do your knife pleats and you can machine. You are going to do the marking same like 1 inch again. So same way you mark 1 inch, you can do 2 inch also, even 3 inch. So more the stitches, bigger the pleats. So in this one you have to leave 1, 2, 3, pick the middle one and goes like that. And you pin, and same way how many inches you made, you put 3 and just goes like that. So this is your inverted box pleat. Yeah, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So I've done already the pleats. You can see my pleats is there, and I'm going to machine this. So when you want to do that, you hold it like that. How far you want to do it, you can go. The other one, this is called gathers. So when you want to do the gather, it's done by 2 ways. Either you can do with the machine, you take a pin, push it right through. When the pin goes, you pick another one, goes like that. Yeah. When that pleats is gone,